Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Motorhome, a compact adventure vehicle that's already creating plenty of buzz among RV enthusiasts across the United States. Toyota has designed this micro camper for travelers who want the excitement of life on the road without dealing with the size and hassle of a full-size motorhome. It's compact, practical, and loaded with smart features that make every mile more enjoyable. Right away, the exterior grabs your attention with sleek LED headlights, clean body styling, and an eye-catching orange and white finish. This camper delivers a fresh, modern look. Even though it's small, it has a confident road presence that separates it from traditional bulky RVs. One of its biggest strengths is how easy it is to drive. Whether you're navigating downtown traffic, winding mountain highways, or squeezing into crowded campgrounds, the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper offers a much more relaxed driving experience than larger motorhomes. Power is expected to come from a fuel-efficient, hybrid-inspired powertrain paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It should provide dependable highway performance while helping owners save money at the gas pump. For weekend escapes or cross-country adventures, efficiency could be one of its biggest advantages. Now let's step inside, because this is where the camper really shines. Toyota has made excellent use of every inch, creating an interior that feels much larger than the exterior suggests. Clever space planning gives the cabin an open and comfortable feel. Flexible seating quickly converts into sleeping space, while the upper section adds another bed for extra guests. With room for up to 4 people, it's a great choice for couples, small families, or solo travelers who simply want more comfort. You'll also find a fold-away dining table, a compact refrigerator, a functional kitchenette with a sink, and several hidden storage compartments. Every feature is designed to make life on the road simple and convenient. As always here on Z Autos, we enjoy highlighting the details that make compact campers stand out. And this interior certainly checks a lot of boxes. The bathroom may be small, but it includes everything needed for everyday travel, including a compact toilet, fold-down sink, shower area, waterproof finishes, LED lighting, and cleverly designed storage that keeps essentials organized. Technology is another major highlight. The dashboard is expected to feature a large, touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, built-in navigation, voice commands, USB charging ports, digital climate controls, and ambient interior lighting to make every trip more enjoyable. Toyota is also expected to include solar charging capability, giving travelers extra power for lighting and small electronics during off-grid camping adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Expected features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These advanced driver assistance technologies can make long road trips across America more comfortable and less stressful. Storage is another pleasant surprise. Despite its compact footprint, the camper offers overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and smart cargo solutions for camping equipment, luggage, and everyday travel gear. It proves that a smaller camper doesn't have to sacrifice practicality. Ride comfort is expected to benefit from Toyota's lightweight construction and carefully tuned suspension. Drivers can expect stable highway handling, reduced cabin noise, and a smoother overall driving experience. As for pricing, industry estimates suggest the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper could start at around $45,000, with higher trims and additional options increasing the final price. Considering the expected technology, fuel economy, compact size, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, it could offer excellent value for buyers looking for a modern micro camper. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Micro Mini Camper Motorhome blends smart design, everyday practicality, modern technology, and efficient performance into one attractive package. It's built for people who want the freedom to explore America's national parks, scenic highways, beaches, and mountain destinations without the challenges of driving a large RV. If Toyota delivers on these expectations, this camper could become one of the standout compact motorhomes of 2027. Thanks for watching Z Autos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment below telling us whether you'd take this Toyota Micro Mini Camper on your next road trip. Your support helps us bring you more exciting automotive content every week.